If you drink a lot of water, I hate to drink a lot of water because I need flavor now, but it works. You just de-bloat. I need to get $10 to freaking start making beats.
With that janky ass cross, my Lord crying out the water. Yes, he did. Instead, they gave my Lord abused, confused, and soul body. The light of his eye, the love in his hands, the one that got his love in advance, the love of his life, the covenant. I know he's coming. I can't wait till he frozen pizza, Kool-Aid, not soda. I still get tweets saying I miss when you was not sober. Mac died September. I cried in October. These things come too fast. I miss when it was a lot. Standing here alone now, thinking we could drive around. I just wanna say how I love you with your head down. Baby, you don't gotta fight, I'll be here till the end of time. Wishing that you were mine, baby, when it's over.
He fucking that shit up.
Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean.
Teach her that you can't teach her to shoot. Teach her the game, can't teach her to hoop. Swing to the lane while you hang out through. It's a boomerang, you be alright. You can hang out straight, still ain't got the 22 brush, still ain't got the coupe. 22 rush, still ain't got the coupe. Right there in my side. Left-handed rest on my hair, wrist checking my rear view, hiding my bodies. She always fearing no worse. Sometimes she crying and hurts. So keep on praying it works. But put this girl in first. 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 Sometimes they get worse. Sometimes we gotta die. Them niggas gonna die first. Nigga, put this in your purse. This girl in your chain. Like you keep this is your curse. She know. She saying it work. Call for real up. Call for real. I need the whole thing. In the trunk. I need the whole. No thought. Need me a belly like making a styling. He lying to me and I'm lying to him. Fuck it. Ain't shit. Fuck it. Guess we both ain't shit.
So, I got some Bluebell, some strawberries, some apple juice. My mom so graciously offered to come get me from the store. I came from the store. I got it from the store. So I've gained some weight since like June. Like I put on some weight because I had run out of money. And so I've worked at a food truck. You will be okay. So I'm about to get my last hurrah in. Now I used to work at Flower Child, and so that is like my standard healthy foods, things like that. I'm gonna stop saying used to, but I have access to it. I just fiscally right now I'm limited because I'm trying to get more money. I'm getting more money right now. I'm gonna just say that I am getting more money right now. Right now, I just spent $12 at Kroger, and I'm feeling good. I have put on a little bit of a stomach, but it's all salt. I didn't realize how small I was when I first got blessed. And so I'm about to eat it. I'm explaining myself to my channel. I didn't understand how small I was. Like, God literally put it in my mind to get on a scale to see how small I was, but I didn't know. I didn't realize how small I was until I started eating food and my eyes were bigger than my stomach. And it'll make me like, it would ruin my day. Like, I posted on my Instagram story one day about how I wanted a burger. I ate a bag of chips one day and it ruined my whole day because I was so small that the salt ruined my day. And they're like, bag of chips. Like, it was, and I love Cheetos. I'm about to eat this ice cream. I mean, the whole thing, but I can handle it now because I was stress eating because I was going through a lot. But I'm trying to make my stomach smaller again. And so I'm gonna eat this I'm gonna eat stuff all week that I consider bad. I don't eat sugar. That's the thing. Like, I was just eating 2 avocados a day. 2 avocados a day is not a lot of food. So I got this. This is what I consider junk food right here. I mean, literally. Because I was broke.
Real bad.
Okay. Some ribs.